So tonight my husband Doug decided he was going to make fresh homemade pasta. And so he's using 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 cup of this semolina flour. And then he's going to put some water in it, not all at once, but little by little, and I'll show you how much water he's going to measure out to put in the flour to mix it up and eventually come out with some pasta dough. And he's also going to use 3 eggs to make the dough. And this is how much water he's going to be using, putting in little bit by little bit. And you don't want to make the dough too wet because then it'll sort of get stuck in the extruder. So you want it to be damp enough that it'll hold together as a dough, but you don't want it too wet so that it won't go through the holes in the pasta machine. What's the tell? If it sticks together?
You want it kind of because we're going to extrude it, we don't want it wet. It's going to be kind of a sort of a loose, just barely together dough, because otherwise it sticks on extruders. So I kind of get an idea how much look in here.
Okay.
And I think this is good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a ball and I'm going to wrap it in plastic, and it's going to sit for half an hour.
Okay. So let it sit for about 30 minutes. These are the different extruders, so you can make macaroni or bucatini or fusilli or spaghetti, different kinds of pasta shapes. And after he's finished making the bucatini here, then he's going to flour it all and then put it in a pan on some parchment paper and then cover it with some plastic for a while he makes the sauce. So he's going to make a light lemony tomato-based sauce today with some olive oil and some capers, some tomato paste, and some fresh tomatoes and some lemon zest, and some fresh cut parsley from the garden.
That's an emergency.
Oh, and I forgot there's also some garlic from the garden as well. And then some dark balsamic. And he's going to reduce this down to make this lovely sauce here. Then he's going to put the bucatini in the sauce and toss it around until all the pasta is evenly coated with the sauce. Oh, did it?
It's just the squeaking of the noodles cooking.
Yeah, it was like
The noodles were.
Yeah, that's yeah.
And then a sprinkle of Parmigiano Reggiano on top, and then it's ready to eat.